Welcome back to Core Tech. Today we're taking a closer look at a keyboard built for gamers who want premium performance without giving up desk space, the 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. This keyboard blends a compact layout with full-size functionality, advanced wireless connectivity, and refined typing feel, making it one of the most versatile gaming keyboards of 2026. 96% layout with smart design, 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. The 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless features a 96% layout that intelligently compresses a full-size keyboard into a smaller footprint. You still get the number pad, function row, and navigation keys, but everything is packed tightly to save space. This layout is ideal for gamers who need more room for mouse movement while retaining productivity features. ASUS maintains excellent spacing and key alignment, ensuring the keyboard never feels cramped during long sessions. ROG NX switches and typing feel, 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. Typing and gaming feel exceptional thanks to ASUS's latest ROG NX mechanical switches. The 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless delivers smooth, consistent keystrokes with factory-lubed switches that reduce noise and friction. Each key press feels responsive and stable, making it perfect for both rapid gaming inputs and extended typing sessions. The sound profile is clean and controlled, appealing to users who want mechanical feedback without excessive noise. Tri-mode wireless connectivity, 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. Connectivity is a major strength of the 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. It supports tri-mode connection, allowing users to switch seamlessly between 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired USB. The 2.4 GHz mode delivers ultra-low latency, ensuring competitive gaming performance without noticeable lag. Bluetooth mode is ideal for switching between multiple devices, while wired mode offers maximum stability when needed. Build quality and key stabilization, 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. ASUS focuses heavily on durability and comfort with the 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. The keyboard features a solid top plate, improved internal dampening, and pre-lubed stabilizers for larger keys. This results in reduced rattle and a more premium feel across the entire board. The keycaps are made from high-quality PBT material, ensuring long-term resistance to shine and wear. Battery life and RGB customization, 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. Battery life is impressive, allowing the 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless to last for days on a single charge, even with RGB lighting enabled. ASUS's Aura Sync RGB system offers deep customization, letting users personalize lighting effects, colors, and animations. Everything is controlled through Armoury Crate software, making it easy to fine-tune both performance and aesthetics. Gaming performance and daily use, 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. In real-world use, the 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless performs flawlessly. Low-latency wireless gaming, comfortable ergonomics, and reliable key response make it suitable for competitive play and everyday work. The compact footprint keeps desks clean, while the full functionality ensures nothing feels compromised. Final verdict, 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless. The 2026 ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless strikes an excellent balance between performance, design, and versatility. With its compact 96% layout, smooth mechanical switches, strong wireless performance, and premium build quality, it stands out as one of the best wireless gaming keyboards available in 2026. For gamers and professionals alike, it's a smart, future-ready choice.